The Kirkpatrick Evaluation Model by Matthew Wilcox. EDT 610 Instructional Design, Theories and Models at St. Thomas University. The Kirkpatrick Evaluation Model. Dr. Don Kirkpatrick developed an evaluation model in the 1950s to evaluate the effectiveness of training programs for industry. The Kirkpatrick Evaluation Model is one of the most widely used training evaluation models in the world. This model consists of 4 levels: reactions, learning, transfer, and results. The 4 levels of the Kirkpatrick model. Reaction attempts to provide data on how learners reacted to training. Learning determines whether a learner's knowledge, skills, or behavior has changed due to training. Transfer attempts to discover if the learner's new skills or knowledge has been applied to their real-world environment. Results evaluates the success of the training. In the field of industry, did the training have net results? A closer look at Level 1 informs us that this level evaluates how individuals react to the training model by asking questions that establish the learner's thoughts. Some helpful questions and techniques to evaluate the learners are having online assessment that can be graded by instructor, interviews, asking, are the participants happy with the instructors? Did the training meet the participants' needs? Are the attendees happy with the educational tools used? Detailing Level 2 informs us that this level is meant to determine what participants have developed in knowledge, expertise, or mindset. Some helpful questions and techniques are: measurement and evaluation is simple and straightforward for any group size. The use of a control group to compare. Interviews or assessments prior to and immediately following the training. Observations by instructors and other learners. Strategies for assessment should be relevant to the goals of the training program. A concise grading system needs to be in place to reduce the possibility of inconsistency. Level 3 analyzes the differences in the participants' behavior at work after completing the program. This may be conducted with observations and interviews. Evaluations need to be sufficient till change is noticed. Then a more exact examination tool can be used. Asking, were the learned knowledge and gained skills used? Examinations completed immediately following the program are not as reliable since individuals change in different ways at different times. Lastly, Level 4 determines the overall success of the training model by measuring factors such as lowered spending, higher returns on investments, improved quality of products, less accidents in the workplace, more efficient production times, and a higher quantity of sales. The learner should be informed of what is going to be measured throughout and after the training program. Use a control group. Allow enough time to measure or evaluate. No significant result can be found unless a positive change takes place. The process is to determine which methods and procedures are relevant to the learner's feedback. The Kirkpatrick model should be delivered in the order of levels 1 to 4, as each level requires more time and more rigor than the previous level. Each level is progressive and needs information from the previous level to ensure that precise measures are being gathered and that corrections are being made during the overall process. With that said, a more recent modification by Kirkpatrick and Kirkpatrick in 2016 suggested a modification of placing Level 4 at the start of the evaluation process. The rationale for this adaptation is to start every project by first considering the leading indicators you plan to influence. Even as this medication of placing Level 4 at the start of the process may yield present and future gains, it is standard practice to keep the order as it was originally designed to maintain a standard of evaluation. This is especially significant when evaluating technology in education and the practice of e-learning, since both these areas of education are fairly new and require more experience and research before making adaptations to the evaluations of technology education. Thank you for watching, and hope the Kirkpatrick evaluation model may be of use for you.